minute. So let's go to hardware. Right. So this is hardware. What is a hardware? Right. So the hardware, they are the parts that you can touch, like the screen. We can see screen here. So the phones and tablets we use, or the monitors, they are all hardwares. We can touch the screens. Okay. And then the keyboard too, we can type on the keyboard. And then we have the mouse, we have the CPU of the computer. That this is inside the computer. We have the memory chips, the hard drive like this. So, or even a pen drive, or you can call it a flash drive. So, all these things make up like the body of the computer. All these things here make up the body of the computer. They are things that we can touch, okay? We can feel with our hand. That is how we can interact with the computer, like touching it. So, the hardware is then categorized into two parts. We have the external hardware and we have the internal hardware. What it means is that the external hardware, they are the things outside the computer, okay? And then the internal hardware is looking at the things inside the computer. So that is the key difference you have to get when you talk of hardware. We have two main types of hardware, the external hardware and then the internal hardware. So the external is also known as the peripherals. It's peripherals because sometimes you can decide not to use some part of the hardware, but the computer will still function. So that is the key thing you need to understand when you talk of hardware, that they are the things that we can touch or see, feel with our hands. Okay, those are what hardware. All right. So, having explained that, let's now understand what external hardware is and then what internal hardware means.